Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad that you're here today. I have one of my favorite boxes, the Keto box right here. It is heavy as hell. It's always heavy as hell. And it's chock full. I mean, literally, they can't cram another thing into this box. I got this subscription for 6 months and I think I'm good through December. This is the November box and it's $39.99 with free shipping. And it is a low carb care package for your body. I love this box. I'm gonna have to see about keep getting this box after everything. Oh my God, it's so full of stuff. It's so full of stuff. All right. And there's always a card that tells you what's in here, plus discount codes if you like the product. And this is your promo code for Amazon for Buddha brand Hungry Buddha Keto Bars. And that is nice. And then this is the card that tells us everything that's in here with discounts. And I try to taste everything. If it's a beverage and it needs to be cold, I'm not going to try it. If it's some kind of weird meat thing, I'm probably not going to try it. Or if I've tried it before, I might skip it. But we'll see. We'll see what's in here and see when I can choke down. And I've got a beautiful sugar-free iced tea sweetened with monk fruit. And the first thing I am not going to dip into because it's in a little foil pack. And this is some Nestella, Nekstella, Nextella, chocolate, sugar-free chocolate hazelnut spread, palm oil free, which is great because palm oil is destroying the rainforest. Using palm oil is bad from all the things that I understand in the world. And it looks like this is just a bonus item, which is a great bonus item. Who doesn't love some sugar-free Nutella kind of stuff? But not Nutella, Nextella. All right. This is adorable. This is Proudly Pure Parmesan Crisps made in the US of A. Woo woo, America. We love you, America. Let's see if they're on here. I'm not seeing it on this package. Well, I've had Parmesan crisps before, so these are probably just amazing because it's just baked Parmesan cheese. It is not on the card, so I'm going to call this another bonus item. Next up, I will try this. This is going to be interesting. Garlic Parmesan walnuts, and this is Crazy Go Nuts, the superfood snack. All natural gourmet walnuts. I like a walnut. I like garlic. I like Parmesan. Let's give her a go. And walnuts are really good for your heart, in case you did not know. And they come in like little nuggets. No, it's good. That's really good. Super tasty snacky. Oh, I should have my glasses on so I can read this stuff. The librarian will see you. Oh, they're dirty. Let me clean that lens real quick. The librarian is in. All right, I need a drink after that. Oh, Louie loves a snack. Hello, Louie. It's National Cat Day when I'm recording this. Walnuts are delicious. You having a good time? He's having a good time. The next up is Smart Cakes, and I've had these before. These are delicious cupcakes that are 0 carbs, 38 calories per cake, and they're fantastic. And there's no icing on them, but you can make your own keto cream cheese icing and put it on there, and they are delicious little cupcakes. And I have some of those in my pantry right now. What? Oh my God. Oh, and let's see. The Crazy Go Nuts, there's a 15% off coupon here, if you go to their website, oh, to Amazon, and it's the Keto Box is the promo code. And then the Smart Cakes, you can get 15% off from their website with Keto Box 15. I'm really so excited about this. I've heard this is, well, first of all, Chalk Zero. Fantastic chocolate for keto people. Fantastic chocolate for sugar-free people. It is fantastic. This is Chalk Zero sugar-free pumpkin pie syrup, which is super exciting. And it says there isn't another sugar-free syrup quite like ours. With no sugar, alcohols, and no preservatives, we created something special. Thick and rich, our syrups are made with real, simple ingredients. They are the perfect decadent topping for any breakfast or dessert, and a great way to sweeten up homemade marinades and sauces while cooking. All right. Let's see. I'm going to taste this. Because there's a channel called Serious Keto, and him and his daughter or his wife, I can't remember, him and some lady that he lives with, did a test on a bunch of the zero carb sugars, or the carb, what are they called? Carb Chalk Zero syrups, and they have given them some really great reviews. And pumpkin pie was one of them, and they said that they really liked the pumpkin pie. So I'm excited. Oh, it's got a little seal on it. This is so cool. It smells straight up like some pumpkin pie spices. I'm just going to put my finger on the inside of the rim. Totally tastes like pumpkin pie. This would be great in coffee or on ice cream. It would be all kinds of good things in places. And it says you can get 20% off from chalkzero.com, and you can use the code KETOBOX20. And their stuff is amazing. And this has, oh, it's so tiny. I have to break out the magnifying glass and the glasses. It says 16 grams of carbs, dietary fiber, 15 sugar, alcohol 0. So it's only 1 carb for 1 tablespoon. So that's really a good portion size. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to need to refrigerate it. It is fat, 0 sugar, iced tea, glacé, heirloom peach, heritage, pish heritage. So this sounds delicious. I love peach iced tea. I love iced tea. And it's pretty cool, but it's not cold enough quite to drink. So I'm just going to put that right there. And Fat Nutrition, they have their own website, and the 15% off with the promo code, the Keto Box. I always save the meat sticks for Rome, and this is a real beef stick, 7 grams of protein, garlic and herb. He will totally love this. And trying to see the information for a discount, and it looks like this is a bonus item because it's not on the card. So far, we've got 3 bonus items. My thumb's a little sticky. Then we have guilt-free chocolate. Ooh, JoJo's 10 Bites Goes Hawaiian. This is going to be delicious. It's dark chocolate, coconut, sea salt, and macadamia nuts. Woohoo! Party in my mouth. Wait, that could be taken wrong. A delicious food party in my mouth. I can't wait to try this chocolate because I have eaten a lot of keto chocolate. It smells amazing. Oh, and it's just a little chunk like this. I'm not going to eat the whole chunk. So delicious, so smooth, so rich. There's no aftertaste. 0 grams of sugar. 14 grams of carbs. 3 fiber, so that makes it 11 grams of carbs. And erythritol is 8. So you subtract the 8 from the 11. You get 3, so 3 grams of carbs for 3 bites. So 3 little pieces is 3 grams of carbs, and that's amazing. That is delicious. That is as delicious as Chalk Zero. Then, oh, there's still 2 more things after this. This is some instant hot cereal, low carb breakfast, strawberries and cream. And this is by High Key, and High Key makes some fantastic cookies and brownie bites. And this is, like I said, strawberries and cream. I am not a hot cereal kind of girl anymore, but maybe Ron will try this. This looks fantastic. And I'm sorry, there was a Nextella thing. It just didn't look like that. So there's an Nextella code. If you really want it, just let me know. I'll hook you up. And the JoJo's is buy 2 get 1 free from JoJo'sChocolate.com, and that's keto 3 for 2. And this is High Key from HighKey.com. Keto Box 15 off is the code. Then we've got these 2 things. This is, we heard about the Hungry Buddha at the beginning of this. And it says it's a keto bar, 4 net carbs. Oh my gosh. Louie just attacked the table. Louie, you're so crazy. It made my camera go wonky. Sorry about that. Because I am in a room and this is a backdrop and that's a shelf. So it's not a big surprise that there's walls and stuff around. And this is triple chocolate flavor. So let's give this a try. Let's see. It looks good. Looks chewy. It doesn't have any flavor. It tastes like triple nothing. Not great. Would not eat that again. And then this is from Keto Mana. Low carb, healthy fat, wonder food, chocolate fudge. And what you do with this is you knead it for 30 seconds. It is hard as hell. And then store in the fridge. And cold is our formula. Anyway, so you knead this and you put it in the fridge and then you eat it. And it's some kind of energy paste or something. Let's see. It doesn't tell me anything more, but the 15% off with the code the Keto Box. So let's recap. Hot cereal. Tasteless bar that's going in the garbage. That tasted like nothing. Nothing. Then we got the pumpkin pie syrup, which is fantastic. I'm not going to lay that down. We got the delicious garlic parmesan walnuts. Those are great. We got some little parmesan crisps, which is fantastic. We got the incredible, and I highly recommend anybody try this, JoJo's chocolate. It's fantastic and sugar-free. These cupcakes are fantastic also. They're so light and delicious, and it doesn't feel like you're having, it feels like you're having a cupcake, and you don't feel bad about it. And we also got the peach tea. We got the beef stick. And we got the hazelnut spread. So for $39.99, we got lots of full-size items we have. And this box is so heavy. And it's a great box, and there's always a great variety of stuff. And man, if nothing else, and I find out how delicious these JoJo's are and these walnuts are, I'm totally happy with it. So this is a Keto Box for November. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.